it's time to install these knotless passion twists, and I am going to walk you guys through the entire process. My hair is over me and I am over it, to be quite honest with you guys. I'm pretty on top of my hair when it comes to regular maintenance. So whenever I allow my hair to get crusty and start falling completely off into toxic habits, it's time to put her up for a little while. Products used in this video are linked in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. Also subscribe and hit all notifications on the bell icon below this video so you stay connected. My question for you all is, what's your 2 main staple wash day products? Let's chat in the comments below. I want to know which products you must have during your wash day, and I mean must have, like you're in the car headed to the store to pick up a fresh bottle if you run out. I want to hear all about it. Okay, today I am doing a full wash and condition because I mean business when it comes to protective styling. I make sure my hair is prepped and nourished, set and ready to go before I put my hair away. This way I avoid all unnecessary breakage during the takedown process.
Talk to God, he said that we gon' make it. Know it hurts and you don't have to fake it. Ain't not broken, you just rearranging. You ain't going there, so just anybody. Looking for a friend, not just a body. I was down feeling broken. All windows smashed like you broken. Take a step back.
Let's get into the blow drying process. Brio Geo sent me their blow dry heat protectant cream some months ago, and it's so good, y'all. I didn't even realize how good it was until I got ready to wash my hair one day after using it, and I was like, whoa, why is my hair so soft? And I had to think, like, hold on, is that heat protectant I used? I don't know what ingredient they put inside this to make my hair maintain its softness, but I find myself reaching for it every single time. Of course, I'm using my Curlsmith Diffusion blow dryer. I reach for this blow dryer every single time I'm getting ready to blow dry my hair. It is literally a staple blow dryer in my home. I even went as far as diffusing, because it's a diffuser as well. For those of you who don't know, my washing goes. It has a high technology where the heat isn't super hot, but it's able to reach a high temperature. And I really enjoy that about this blow dryer. And I promise this is not sponsored. I don't even like saying that because I feel like my sponsor content matches my regular content. But anywho, I'm not going to film the entire process of me blow drying my hair. I just wanted to show you guys who watch me frequently on Instagram and on YouTube how long my hair actually is when I am blow drying it straight. I feel like it can get straighter than this, but I really haven't been tracking my growth, but I am now trying to grow my hair. So I've kind of slipped back into my OG days of just certain products and certain routines that I am doing and following now. So yeah, I would share that in a video later on. Off to the actual install. Now listen up and pay attention. If you are anything like me, you need this full breakdown of how I did this hairstyle. So I did 2 rows of 4 twists in the back, and the top I did 1 row of 3 twists. I hope that made sense. On the sides, for my first row I did 1 twist, and for my second and third row I did 2 twists. For my braiding gel, I use Shine and Jam Edge Control, but only use this if you want your scalp to itch off the bone. And I mean itch off the daggone bone. I could hardly wear this hairstyle. I literally wore it for only 2 weeks because it was itching so crazy, and I ended up reinstalling using African Pride Black Castor Miracle Extra Hold Braid Lock and Twist Gel instead. It's been 3 days so far since I reinstalled this hairstyle, and I haven't had any flaking or itching too crazy, just a little itch here and there because I have dermatitis. But you know, I'll link that African Pride Twist Gel instead of the Shine and Jam down below. Now let's get into the actual breakdown of how I actually installed this passion twist. So after I gelled down my hair, I went in and started to braid. This is what makes it knotless. I braid my hair down just a little bit and then split my hair into two and then feed in the passion hair, and then I started twisting it into my own hair. Before you add the passion twist hair, you want to use like an unbrush or a wig brush to frizz the hair out just a little bit so you can make it thick, so it's not like super skinny. You want it to match your hair thickness, and my hair thickness is pretty thick. Use some braiding gel along the way so that you can like match your hair in with the passion twist hair. And you want to also twist, like you see right here, I'm twisting individually and I'm twisting towards my face, but I'm not gonna get too much into the twisting because y'all, I was confused each time I was twisting the wrong way, and I had to like think about it and then twist the other way. So there's a ton of YouTube videos here that actually break down which way to twist, but if you watch my hands in slow-mo, you'll see like which way I'm twisting, and you see how I'm keeping my hair twisted as I twist down. That's exactly what you want to do to keep your hair super tight and neat, so that when you're done twisting, it doesn't unravel and be too like loose. You just don't want it to be super loose. So I do that all the way down, and then once I get down to the bottom, I do just a regular knot to secure the ends, and that's it. I don't dip this hair or any of that. As you can see, I already did the back, and there's one twist in the back that I did do over, I believe, but other than that, that's pretty much the gist of this entire hairstyle. Once I was done with this entire hairstyle, I ended up using a styling mousse to, mousse down and mold my edges, and also I mousse the entire hairstyle just so that everything remains crispy and in place. I want to also share with you guys how I was able to get the parts in the back super straight. It's pretty easy. All you need is to just go on Amazon and buy a 3-way mirror. But if you don't want to do that, you can just use like a floor stand-up mirror and a tripod with a face mirror. And you're going to put your back towards the big mirror and have your face facing the small mirror, just so that you can see what you're doing.